savior of all time, greatest of all time, greatest of all time. Carried your own cross, laid on your life, hands and feet pierced, stabbed in your side, took on every sin, savior of all time.
Just installed a Tesla style radio in this 2014 Ford F150, the 3.5 EcoBoost. Got a DVR recording camera we also did. Real clean, factory bezels. Looks like it's supposed to be in here, but it looks like it's not supposed to be in here. We already did the lights for them. We also got a front-facing camera we also installed here, front end on the grill. Put LED fog lights in as well. Other side of it. Took me darn near all day because obviously, you know, the rear camera's not working like it's supposed to. But you know, we got our front view camera. I don't like those grid lines. I don't know why they're there. The rear view camera is better, but it looks glitchy. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but haven't recorded a video in a while, you know, so I thought I'd do one, a little quick one. Been out here all day. Well, have to wrap up. You know what I'm saying? Show him how to use this head unit and connect his cell phone so he can hook up to CarPlay. Tell you what, this has been a day. It's been a day, been a long one. Long day. Missing another job. Well, you're missing out. Missing out on work. Another video. New trailer. Which I may have. I guess not. That's its current state. Enough. Put that in there. Also replaced a evap purge control solenoid, and I'm hoping that got resolved. Yeah, we've done a lot of stuff for this guy, you know. Let's see what that's looking like. Yeah, that looks like crap. How about that one? I'll go into auto. Picks the best one for this vehicle. And the more I touch it, and showing in the right orientation. That looks stupid. And we also got the DVR camera. Actually, that don't look bad. Yeah, that's not half bad right there in that spot. And you can see everything. But I think in order for it to record, he's gonna need weird, like rumbly thing going on here. Yeah, that's not half bad actually. It's a good picture.